the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's live and niggas won't take. Hey, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this weight. Say I ain't having this weight.
Hey y'all, it's your girl jettajaye and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some stuffed animal Crocs, which I've been seeing on TikTok. They're super cute and they look like they're kind of easy to make, so we're gonna go ahead and do that today and do a little DIY. So of course the first thing you're gonna need is gonna be your Crocs. I did just go ahead and get some black Crocs because I want them to match with everything. I feel like it'll just be easier to go with everything versus like white or a different color. And then I got 60 of these stuffed animals off of Amazon. They were like 40 bucks. And of course you need your glue sticks and a hot glue gun, which I purchased this from Walmart for like 10 bucks. And then also the glue, which is probably like $2 or $3 as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started, y'all. Okay, I forgot to record this part, but you're gonna need some scissors too because they come with these little hooks on them. So I'm just gonna start cutting these off and then I'm gonna place them where I want them and then we'll start gluing. I was thinking I may use like some alcohol or something to wipe on the shoe first, just to kind of give the glue more of like a strong hold, but honestly I'm lazy, so I might not do that and just glue them on there. So we got our first one done, and then I'll speed past the rest of me cutting it off and then I'll pick y'all up when we need it.
They rock to the beat for your boy, shout it, yeah, ooh, yeah. Rock to the beat for your boy, radio killer, killer, shout it, clap it, shout it, tight it, should've stayed there all night, it. I missed your head picture, now it's time I get back up with you, girl.
Alright y'all, so I've cut up a full bag of them. So right now I'm just gonna start kind of placing them to see where I want them, and then I'll start gluing. Honestly though, these are like super huge, so I don't think there's gonna be much like placing you can do. I'm just gonna start gluing them on and hoping for the best. But I definitely know I want to start with this cutie. I don't know how much glue it really needs. Yeah, these are definitely gonna fall apart as soon as I start walking. But you know what? It's fine. I don't know like which ways I want them to be facing. I'm gonna put this one over here. And I'm using a lot of glue because I don't want these to be falling off, even though they probably will. I'll say I don't know if anybody has a better method for like what glue you should be using, or like if you should do something to the shoes to make them stick on a little bit better. Let me know. Pretty much what I saw on TikTok was people just doing like I'm doing now and just kind of gluing stuff down. So that's what we're gonna do and hope for the best. And I'm not gonna lift this back ankle part up because I like it down and I don't want the animals to be so far up that it can't go back in its place. So I'm just gonna keep doing this until the entire shoe's covered. I'm gonna do front and around the back with stuffed animals.
Hey babe, I know that you like me. You my future wifey. Soldier boy, tell them yeah, you can be my bunny. I can be your Clyde. You can be my wife. Text me, call me. I need you in my life. Yeah, all that. Every day I need you, and every time I see you, my feelings get deeper. I miss you. I really want to kiss you, but I can't. Keep an eye to one take me. You know that I miss you. I wanna get with you tonight, but I can't.
Okay, so now we're gonna start going around the sides all the way to the back.
Gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk.
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump. My hump, 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 my lovely little lumps.
Okay, so on this one, I'm not really concerned about doing like the same pattern or anything. I'm kind of just gonna place stuff how I like it. So they're gonna look different, but they'll still go with each other because of course they're both still stuffed animal Crocs. You know what I'm saying?
So
so quick intermission. We are going to the store to get some more glue because apparently whatever I had was not enough. So if you do this, just make sure that you get a big ass pack of the glue sticks or you will be hightailing your ass to the store like me. I'm about to go pick this up so I can finish these today. Praying that they have this glue in Dollar General because I don't feel like going all the way to Walmart. Or, I don't know, I can go to a different grocery store or something just see. But I'm just hoping and praying that they're in here. Please, Dollar General, come through. We got it, bitches. Completely irrelevant to this video, but I don't care because it's my channel. But I just got a Black Smoke vape pen in the mail, and I'm getting ready to show y'all it real quick. I have literally been waiting on this. Like, I cannot wait to try it. Make sure y'all check out the review for this on my TikTok at jettajaye, the same name as my YouTube name. And I'm just hoping this is good. I got the cotton candy flavor, so I'm so excited. This is no nicotine and no tobacco. It's made out of 100% fruit juice, so I'm really excited. All right, y'all, so here is the finished product. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how they look. I've covered like pretty much every inch of the shoe that I could with these. And I don't know, I love them. I'm gonna show you them on my feet. Sorry, I picked like the worst recording areas, but here they are on my feet. Gorgeous. Once I put on a cute outfit, like they're really gonna be giving what they're supposed to be giving. And then I have a few animals left, so I may make a purse with them. But yeah, y'all, thanks for watching. Those are my DIY stuffed animal Crocs. And if y'all decided to do them, let me know if I helped you out in the comments. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. Thank y'all for tuning in. Put a purple heart in the comments if you got all the way to the end. And I will see y'all in my next upload. Bye.
Go to the Drake.